Tesla has started making deliveries on its Tesla semi-truck, but it will face stiff competition in its bid to electrify the truck industry. 117-year-old truck manufacturer Mack has released its Mack Anthem, an absolute beast on the road delivering more functions than any other diesel truck. The company is long known for its reliability and trustworthiness, and the legacy truck maker has set a record that will be hard to beat. Does Tesla Semi stand a chance against the Mack Anthem? And can the Tesla Semi truly disrupt the truck industry? Join us as we discuss how Tesla is shaking up the transport industry again. Power comparison. According to Elon Musk, the Tesla Semi has a total power output 3 times higher than any diesel truck on the road. But let's get into the details. Tesla Semi is equipped with 3 independent electric motors at its rear axles. The motors are optimized for acceleration and torque, and depending on the circumstances, the rear motors can be engaged or disengaged seamlessly from the drive axle to minimize energy losses. Tesla didn't go into details about its motors, but they are said to be the same ones used in Tesla Model 3 electric sedan, including the inverters, heat pump system, and the infotainment system, with a few modifications of course. Independent dynamometer tests of the engines find that the engines can deliver 900 horsepower and 1,500 pound-feet torque. On the other hand, the Mack Anthem, a 70-inch stand-up sleeper model, features 3 Mack diesel engines, the MP7, MP8, MP8HE. 2 of the engines, the MP7 and MP8, are overhead cam turbocharged inclined 6-cylinder engines, with the exception of the MP8HE. The third engine is a variation of MP8, with a mechanical drive behind the turbocharger in the exhaust stream. The MP7 diesel engine is the base engine for the truck, developing up to 425 horsepower and 15,060 pound-feet of torque, in addition to the 13-liter MP8 783 cubic-inch diesel engine, which gives drivers up to 505 horsepower and 18,060 pound-feet of torque. A Cummins Westport ISX-12N 762 cubic inches natural gas engine is also available for the Mack's Anthem, developing 400 horsepower and 14,050 pound-force-feet of torque. Now we need to know how much cargo a Tesla Semi can carry. Tesla Semi is a Class 8 truck and can carry just as much cargo as any truck in that category, plus a little extra. Per regulations, Class 8 trucks fully loaded can only weigh 80,000 pounds, but electric trucks are allowed an extra 2,000 pounds, bringing the total to 82,000 pounds as the gross vehicle weight of Tesla Semi. The actual cargo capacity of the Tesla Semi falls between 27,000 pounds and 45,000 pounds, giving it a higher cargo capacity than most Class 8 trucks, but falls behind the Mack Anthem that can carry up to 62,000 pounds. During the first showcase of the Tesla Semi, Musk talked about the design of the truck. "We designed the Tesla truck to be a bullet, whereas normal diesel trucks are designed more like a barn wall. The ability of the Semi to go from 0 to 60 in 5 seconds and maintain its 500-mile range is largely due to its design. Remember that we are talking about a fully loaded semi-truck here and not a car. The sleek nose and flat bottom of the Semi, along with the perfect alignment of the cabin to the trailer, reduces pressure buildup, giving it an impressive drag coefficient of 0.36. This beats the Bugatti Chiron, one of the fastest cars in the world, which has a drag coefficient of 0.38. The aerodynamics of the Tesla Semi places it above all diesel trucks and even trains. The exterior design of the Mack's Anthem maintains the chiseled design that truckers have come to know and love, but its design isn't just for looks. The engineers in charge of the design added a new hood and grille, and redesigned the chassis fairing, roof, mirror covers, front bumper, and air dam to easily cut through the wind. The drag coefficient of the Anthem falls somewhere between 0.65 to 0.7, which is far from the innovation of Tesla Semi. But compared to other diesel trucks, the improved aerodynamics of Mack's Anthem improves fuel efficiency by up to 3%, and if you add in the MP8 engine's turbo compound option in the GHG17 Mack powertrain, the efficiency increases to 11%. Don't forget to leave a like if you are enjoying the video, and subscribe for all the latest on Tesla. Interior design comparison. Mack usually maintains a conventional interior design for its truckers, but that went out the window for the Anthem. The Anthem's cabin was designed to give drivers better comfort and control for the long haul. The driver's area comes with a flat-bottom steering wheel from our belly room, an infotainment system with a 70-inch touchscreen interface, and smart steering wheel buttons. The company partnered with Sears Seating to create seats exclusively to the Anthem that improve driver comfort and support. The drive controls are placed high on the dashboard for easy access. The Mack Anthem also includes some interesting software and technology updates and goes a mile further than any other company in the trucking industry. Right in front of the driver is a 5-inch digital display that serves as the co-pilot. It provides simpler navigations without any distractions, along with constant truck monitoring. One impressive feature of the co-pilot is its one-person exterior light inspection that keeps an eye out for potential issues before they become real problems. When it's time to rest, the Mack Anthem features a 70-inch stand-up sleeper area with a bed space, work area, cabinet, adjustable lighting, and other amenities like a refrigerator. Tesla hasn't said much about the interior of its truck since it was first unveiled in 2017, but Tesla's recent updates to its page show some changes in Semi's interior that are noteworthy. Its interior combines elements from the Model 3, Model Y, the new Model S, and Model X. The landing area has quite a lot of space, enough for a person to stand upright with no problems. The cabin features a center driving position and 2 display screens, one at each side, giving the driver a commanding view of the road. The screens are similar to the ones in Model 3. The steering wheel comes with no stalks, but will have several buttons for making turns and horning. This will definitely take a little bit of time to get used to. The driver's seat has an air suspension and the entire seating area was pushed forward because there are no engine or traditional truck parts to get in the way. Behind the main driver's chair is another chair for any additional passenger, and there are 2 overhead compartments like you would find in an airplane for storing luggage and other items. The current version of the truck doesn't seem to have a sleeper environment yet, but future versions will have sleeper options in the trucks. For now, drivers will be able to take naps at the charging stations. Driver Assist Comparison. Tesla has made a name for itself with its semi-autonomous driving system, and one of the expected features of the Tesla Semi, according to Elon Musk. It would feature advanced autopilot technology that would help the driver manage traffic conditions along with other self-driving capabilities, like being able to make turns without driver input. There are 2 cameras fitted on the side mirrors similar to the fender cameras found on Tesla's passenger vehicles. Tesla also seems to have included the same 3-camera array found at the top of its passenger vehicles in the Tesla Semi as well, and there is another camera in the front bumper of the truck. Mack's Trucks has also gotten on board with self-driving trend by introducing the Commander Steel technology. The new steering system adds an electric motor to its hydraulic steering to reduce driver effort by 85%. It provides steering assist based on the situation, and the truck is fitted with multiple sensors to monitor road conditions, driver inputs, and environmental conditions. The system uses this information to steer the truck, keep it on track, and increase torque when necessary. When maneuvering tight corners, the Mack Command Steer has a return to zero feature that returns the steering wheel to the center position. This gives drivers greater control and focus, enhancing safety for everyone on the road. So, how much will you have to pay for all these features? The Mack Anthem is versatile in its pricing. The price for the day cab models start at $100,000, and the sleeper models are a bit higher and start at $140,000. The pricing changes if you decide to customize your Anthem model using the Mack's truck configurator. Tesla has made the first delivery of the Semi to Pepsi with no updates on pricing, so it's safe to assume that it has remained relatively the same. In 2017, Elon promised to release a 300-mile model of the Tesla Semi for $150,000, but that didn't happen. The new 500-mile version starts at $180,000 and may increase depending on customers' customizations. Tesla Semi is officially on the road, and we can expect Tesla to ramp up production and increase the capabilities of the truck with better variations. Do you think Tesla Semi stands a chance against Mack Anthem? Write yes or no in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe with all notifications turned on. And in case you want to watch more fascinating videos, click the video on the screen now.